Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm show you how to mass generate Outlook accounts and then seamlessly use them to register on Milanuncios. Let's dive right in. First, set up a new Outlook campaign. Click Bind Proxy to import your proxies. Next, choose the type of email account you want to register, Outlook or Hotmail. Then, go ahead and add your usernames. You can simply leave the rest of the fields blank. Once you're ready, click Start to begin the registration process. After the accounts are generated, select both the username and token columns and export to a CSV file. Next, open that file and fill in the relevant protocol details. Now, head back to PVACreator and create a Milanuncios campaign. Import your proxies and add the usernames. Select all the columns on the Email Server tab and import your CSV file. Finally, click Start to run the registration. And there you have it, fully automated account creation in just a few clicks. If you're ready to save time and massively boost your efficiency, check out the link in the description. See you in the next video.